Welcome back to Time Focus Blueprint. Over the past few videos, we've explored time management hacks, routines, goal setting, and more. But here's the big question. How do you bring all of these tools together into one cohesive system that works for you? Today, we're talking about building your personal productivity system, a tailored approach to managing your time, energy, and focus like a pro. Now, let me start by saying this. A personal productivity system isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's about combining the strategies and tools that resonate with you to create a workflow that supports your life and goals. Ready to design your system? Let's get started. Step 1. Define your goals and priorities. Every productivity system starts with a clear understanding of what you want to achieve. Ask yourself, what are my long-term goals? What tasks or habits will move me closer to those goals? Use the SMART framework to define your goals and identify your top priorities. These will act as the foundation of your system. Step 2. Choose your tools. Your productivity tools are like the building blocks of your system. These could include a digital or physical planner for scheduling, task management apps like Trello, Asana, or Notion, note-taking tools like Evernote or Google Keep, automation tools like Zapier or IFTTT for repetitive tasks. Pick tools that align with your preferences and make your workflow seamless. The goal is to simplify, not complicate. Step 3. Establish daily and weekly routines. We've talked about the power of routines before, and they're a critical part of your productivity system. Start with a morning routine to set your day up for success, a midday check-in to stay on track, and an evening routine to reflect and prepare for tomorrow. Weekly routines, like planning your week on Sunday, help you stay organized and focused on your big goals. Step 4. Use time blocking to structure your day. Time blocking is the backbone of a strong productivity system. Assign specific blocks of time to your key tasks, ensuring you're dedicating focused effort to what matters most. Use batching for similar tasks, and don't forget to schedule breaks to recharge. Step 5. Track your progress and adjust. No system is perfect right away. That's why tracking your progress is essential. Use a journal, an app, or simple checklists to keep tabs on what you've accomplished. Regularly review what's working and tweak your system to make it even better. Step 6. Eliminate and automate. Simplify your workflow by eliminating unnecessary tasks and automating repetitive ones. Use tools like Google Calendar for reminders, email templates to save time, or apps like Buffer to schedule social media posts. This frees up your energy for high-priority work. Step 7. Stay flexible and evolve. Your productivity system is a living process, not a rigid structure. As your goals and responsibilities change, your system should adapt. Don't be afraid to experiment with new tools, routines, or methods to see what fits your current needs. Now, let's talk about a few common pitfalls to avoid when building your system. First, overloading your system. Adding too many tools or strategies can make your system feel overwhelming. Keep it simple and focus on what truly works for you. Second, perfectionism. Your system doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to work for you. It's okay to adjust as you go. Third, ignoring reflection. Failing to review your system regularly can lead to stagnation. Make time to reflect on your progress and adjust as needed. Here's how your productivity system might look in action. For your morning routine, plan your top 3 priorities for the day and review your schedule. To use time blocking, dedicate focused blocks of time for deep work, admin tasks, and breaks. Set your evening routine by reflecting on what you accomplished. Note lessons learned and prepare for tomorrow. Prepare your weekly review. Evaluate your progress. Tweak your system and set new goals for the upcoming week. Let's recap. First, define your goals and priorities to guide your system. Second, choose tools that fit your workflow and simplify your tasks. Next is, establish daily and weekly routines to stay consistent. Then, use time blocking to structure your day effectively. After that, track your progress and regularly adjust your system. Don't forget, eliminate and automate repetitive tasks to save time. Lastly, stay flexible and evolve your system as your needs change. Here's your action step. Start building your personal productivity system today. Choose 1 or 2 strategies from this video and begin integrating them into your routine. Over time, refine your system until it feels natural and supports your goals effortlessly. In the next video, we'll talk about sustaining long-term focus and avoiding burnout, a key piece of staying productive without feeling drained. Make sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Until then, start building your system, stay consistent, and let's get focused.